We have an order for Tagamet 200 milligrams IV push now. And what we have available is Tagamet 300 milligrams per 2 mLs. When you're giving an IV push medication, sometimes you have to dilute the medication. Sometimes it'll give you an amount of time that you have to deliver that medication over. You can't always just immediately push it. Sometimes you have to give it over a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. In this particular instance, our literature is telling us that we need to dilute the Tagamet to 20 mLs. So our first step is to calculate how many mLs of the medication we're being asked to give. So our answer is going to be in milliliters. We have 2 mLs that contains 300 milligrams. The top of our next fraction needs to have milligrams. We are ordered to give 200 milligrams. I'm going to put that over 1. When you multiply across the tops, you get 400. 300 times 1 is 300. When you divide 400 by 300, you get an answer of 1.3333, whole lot of threes. You want to round to the nearest tenth. So we look at this number right here because it is less than 5. We do not round up, and our answer would be 1.3 milliliters of the medication. Now we know that the total is supposed to be 20 milliliters. So we need to subtract the 1.3 milliliters, that is the medication, and that will tell us how much diluent that we need to add, and that is 18.7 milliliters. So on the answer line, you would be writing, depending on what it's asking you, it might ask you both how much medication and how much diluent. So just pay attention and know which ones you're figuring out. We have 1.3 milliliters of medication and 18.7 milliliters of diluent.